Mike Hughes here. I'm with Extreme Diving Freedom with Roger. And Roger, you're going to tell us a little bit about what free diving entails, extreme diving?
Yeah, Captain Don invented that little package just before he passed away. And it's a package where you pay for 12 boat dives and you get extreme because you get all the boat dives. We have 3 departures a day, 8:30 and 11 a.m. and a 2 p.m. boat dive. So in this package, you can do all the boat diving you want. It also includes free unlimited shore diving for the rest of the day if you're still fit to do it after 3 boat dives. And that's a special that I sell for groups. And it runs in the winter, it's a winter special.
Okay.
So for 2019 winter rate, if you have a group for 8 or more, then you can get this special.
Perfect.
Yep.
And then if they want more information on it, they would go to, well, we've got the habitatbonaire.com, which I'll try to get in the video here.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gets a little blurry, but I think we got it.
We got it, that's good.
Okay.
Well, thanks, Mike.
We'll see you there.
Seeing me here, thanks.